Alright, Aaron, so how would you describe yourself as a sports aficionado?
12 out of 10.
I mean, before tonight.
Oh, before tonight? 4.
Aaron did really bad. I did really good. That's kind of how the night went. Like the whole night, the whole time.
It's pretty much like your life, you know?
Went pretty well. Aaron ended up being the best golfer I've ever seen in my entire life. And I don't know how the heck that happened, because Aaron is like as low.
I get better when I get warmed up.
Aaron is like as low on the sports totem pole as you can possibly be.
Maybe I should take up golf. Do you think I should take up golf?
I would recommend it. It was impressive to watch. I mean, I couldn't figure out how the heck he was doing it. I was going off to the right and left and just all over the place.
I mean, I still can't aim. I was hitting them pretty far.
Well, you were hitting them pretty straight.
I wasn't aiming to go straight, though. It's like, oh, I want to get the brown one, which is off to the left, and then it ended up going, like, razor straight. I'm like, well, I planned that.
So I ended up doing pretty bad by the end of the night. It wasn't my best effort.
Yeah, it seemed like you as the...
I started picking it up again towards the end because I started watching the other people and, like, their form and stuff. And I think a lot of it was I was choking up too much on the club, and so the club was a lot shorter than it should have been for somebody
already really tall
of my stature. It was pretty bad. I was kind of just, you know, I think I literally killed somebody on the second floor.
I think that's on there.
I don't. I don't think I did. I don't think I was recording at the time. I think I had my camera turned off and laid down. I think.
Was I recording at the time?
I don't know.
I'll let you know if I find it.
It was pretty bad though. Like, I mean, I was. Because you were aiming for like these big holes, basically, like you do in golf, but it was like big, giant, just kind of areas where you could aim. And I kind of banked a ball off of one of the edges of the circle that we were aiming at, and it literally shot back in the direction that we were standing, but it was like up higher. So I hope
the ball never came back.
Yeah, the ball never came back. So somebody's probably dead.
Sorry.
Yeah, if you are watching this, I apologize. By watching this video, you understand that you cannot sue for damages caused. Aaron did it. I didn't do it.
It's not on camera. Nobody did it.
Yeah, not. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't even know where we were tonight.
I was in bed. I was sleeping. I was asleep.
I think we're gonna do this again at some point. That was pretty fun.
We still got some extra money on
we had
card,
to.
So.
Yeah.
Everybody's told me that I need to go do this, and I never did.
Yeah. So I'm honored that you did it with me.
It's good bro time.
Yeah, it was good bro time. We needed that. Stay tuned for skydiving at some point.
Indoor skydiving?
Yeah. Okay. It's not going to be real skydiving. My
wife would never let me do
because I don't have enough pants in the world to change into to do skydiving. That's kind of the end of this video, I think. We're on our way home. Got about, what, an hour drive?
37 minutes.
37 minutes. Not bad. Then we'll be home.
Dallas.
And bedtime.
Bedtime.
So, good night.